Good morning, everyone. My name is Harshit Saurabh, pursuing BSc IT course from CMH College, Patna. Today, I am here to give a presentation under the guidance of Raju Upadhyay sir on the topic type def. Type def in C. Let's start the presentation. So what is type def struct in C? The type def keyword allows us to give an alternate name for the primitive or the user defined data type in C language. It gives an alias name, the name which we want to put as per our use. Using type def, struct results in a cleaner, more readable code and saves the programmer keystrokes. So we don't have to type much. That if we take example in struct, so then we have to write struct, the name of the struct and then the variable name. But if we use the type def keyword, then we don't have to write the full struct, the name of the struct and the that variable name. We just write the alias name that we use in the type def. So let's move to the next slide. Syntax of type def, we use the keyword that is type def and we write the existing data type. If we use struct, then we write struct and that alias name after that. Like we take the example that type def struct employee is the struct name and emp is the variable name, and we can use emp wherever we want without.
Emp is not a variable name; it's a alias name.
Yes, it's an alias name. So we can write that alias name wherever we want. We don't have to write much and it saves our time also. So now we will take an example of a program. Let's move to the program. I have written the program already here. So we have started the program from the preprocessor directive, that is #include stdio.h. Then we have used the struct keyword, the structure that is the user defined data type and its name is point, and here we have taken two variables, that is int x and int y. Now we have given the alias name using the type def keyword to the structure point and its name is point. Now in the main function we will declare the new variable to the structure, and we don't have to write the complete struct point here. We will only write point, that is the alias name and the variable name. Now we have declared the value to the variable, that is x and y, and we will print this. Now I will run the program. So here we can see the program is running and the
Just increase the font.
and the value is what we have put in the program. I hope everyone understood what I explained in my presentation. So if anyone have any question, then please ask.
Can you explain again the advantage of type def?
Yes, the advantage is that we can save our keystrokes and the time using type def, as we don't have to write much, the whole struct keyword and its name and the variable name. We just use the alias name and we can declare the variable there. So it saves our much time.
Thank you.
I think Harshit Saurabh has given the very good explanation about the type def, and this is going to help programmer to write code in a shortcut way, and this is going to make your structure, the way you are going to use the structure in a way we are using the user defined data type after making the type def. Thank you, Harshit Saurabh, for giving a very good presentation to us.